mind come to when you hear the word dumbbell? Hopefully it's not on my face. Nah, just kidding, man. But what we do want you to do is hit that bell on top so you do not miss the next thing. Today, we're gonna be going over these types of dumbbells, the ones that we purchased. We're gonna be doing a full review on the types of dumbbells that we chose to take home with us to help you decide what type of dumbbells is gonna fit your home gym needs. All right? So by the end of the video, hopefully all this information is gonna save you time, money, and stick around till the end because you know we always got tips for you. So stay tuned to the very end of the video. Let's get started. So let's start off and think about the basic dumbbells that you could possibly have while using your resources that you have at home. Okay? So real quick, if I were to really want a dumbbell workout, I'd have to look around, okay? For me personally, I'll go straight to my milk jugs. I don't care if my kids gotta drink it or not. Half full, full, empty full. I'm gonna take it, fill it with water, whatever I need to do to get these massive pump going with my biceps or my freaking shoulders, right? So you do what you gotta do. Okay, for me, I'm a stay-at-home mom and dad, so they call me a fammy, right? So whenever I go shopping, I don't miss a chance to go to the gallon aisle, grab it, look around though, right? Make sure the loss prevention is not looking at you. Okay, grab a couple of gallons and just work at it, right? Work at those things. How do you think I got these arms? Okay, so there's really no excuse. All joking aside, okay, if you have weights, okay, let's take a look at these weights that I have here. If you have these free weights laying around and you're looking for some type of dumbbell use, remember, use your head, okay? It's not rocket scientist stuff, okay? Remember the caveman back in the days, they were lifting rocks to get strong. So we use this, right? Pretend we have one of these and we can also do just like those by using your regular free weights, okay? So I don't want to hear it, you guys. If you guys got any other suggestions, please go ahead and comment at the bottom. We want to hear your suggestions out there. But we do want to give you a disclaimer, okay? These things come with an added safety risk, okay? Because they're not made dumbbells. They're not attached and they're not made for doing dumbbell work. So what does that tell us? That tells us to be extra careful. Okay, so do your homework, make sure it's secure, steady, face, and have fun. All right, but if you guys are really struggling with this, and you can't find anything to work with at home, please check out our very good friend, the Tattooed Ronin. Check out his DIY equipment for his home gym. He's been able to come up with a bunch of creative tools that can help him smash the workout. So please, check out the link below. This is a video to his channel, but make sure you watch our channel first, okay? Don't skip our channel, go to his channel. Just kidding, man. You can watch it whenever you want. He's a good guy, okay? He's got incredible tips for you. Follow him. Now, for the main event, drum roll please. We're gonna be going through a full review on these bad dumbbells. We're gonna tell you why we came home with this stuff right here. Tell you the truth, I had to hide these, right? Because I couldn't tell my wife I spent this much money on these things, right? So I had to lie to her and smuggle this stuff in, all right? That's how much of an obsessed guy I am, okay? Just kidding, all right? We ordered this because of 3 factors, okay? 3 reasons. And you could probably guess on which ones play a major role with us. It's gonna be safety, okay? Safety is what we've been preaching from day one. So we'll go over the first thing, which is the name of these dumbbells. These dumbbells are not your average dumbbells where you're gonna see at the regular commercial gym. Instead, these are urethane dumbbells. Why are they urethane and why did we choose them? Because of the added cushion here that we get. If you come on closer over here, it's just all kind of plastic where it's wrapped around that weight inside, okay? So if you drop it, right, because we designed our specific floors to have this cushion, we wanted to complement it with the type of urethane dumbbells, okay, to not damage our floor. And you'll figure out shortly that you got the wrong dumbbells or the type of dumbbells are not conducive to your floor really quickly when they start tearing apart. So we don't want that to happen, okay? Number 2, okay, we picked this thing because this gives you a feel of the actual commercial gym. Look, whenever I hold this thing, I feel like I'm at 24-hour fitness or something like that, right? Or Gold's Gym. I just walk around like this, all right? Sometimes I walk around like that, okay, and flex like this. Okay, you can do the same thing if you had it at your home gym too. Don't tell me you ain't doing that stuff. All right, look at yourself in the mirror, like I do. You walk around, flex, right? Do all that, all right? That's why we picked this thing, okay? And number 3, these were not that expensive. It was very fair price. And we were able to pick them up on the same day. Of course, they had to be delivered, but they came right when we ordered them, okay? So 3 things that we, off the bat, decided to go with the dumbbell. And so to keep it kind of transparent, we're gonna go ahead and tell you what the flaws are of these dumbbells. Of course, nothing's, ever gonna be perfect. We know that. We're not perfect. You're not perfect. Nobody's perfect. The dumbbell's not perfect. Well, you get the point, okay? So one of the things that's not perfect about these dumbbells is the fact that it has to be stored correctly, okay? Because one of the things we do harp on again and again is safety, because if you store these on the floor somewhere, you could easily trip, somebody can get hurt, and that way it's gonna prevent you to work out. You're gonna be a sad puppy, and you know what that's all about, right? We don't want that. Okay, the second thing is the fact that these things right here, as durable as they look, they do damage, okay? You're putting so much work into these things, especially what we do. We don't play around. We don't play around with these weights, all right? We smash them, we crash them, and we do the darn thing, okay? But these things will have wear and tear through wear and tear, and they're gonna crack. Just like you see here, there's crack on it, right? So, though this may be only cosmetic, these can get worse through time. So you may want to take a look at that after your use to see a pre-inspection and a post-inspection, just to see where you're at in terms of your equipment, how much maintenance you need on it, and so on and so forth. And the last thing that's a flaw is that it rolls. So make sure you take a look at our gym mistakes video to see what we're talking about. But this does roll, it is a disadvantage, and it does get quite annoying. Real quick, I want to tell you about a little story that happened to me that was personal to me, and that's why we here at FitStem choose to be safe. One day, I was in high school, working out in the gym, go figure. I can never get out of the gym, right? And I was kind of watching this facility while these other high school kids were working out. Number one, I saw one of my friends walking into the gym with slippers on, okay? Slippers into this gym. And he walked straight to the dumbbell area. And I can remember this very, very clear. I can still remember till this day. He grabs onto the dumbbell, and the dumbbells at that time were all metal. They didn't have these urethane ones. They just started coming out with these advanced ones right here to protect your feet. And what happened was when I looked at him, he, some reason, dropped the dumbbell, boom, like that. And the dumbbell, the metal ones, hit his toe. And I looked over and his toe flew all the way across the gym, okay? And he was screaming hysterically. He didn't have a toe, he was toeless, and we had to go ahead and activate the emergency response system for that particular incident. So having that trauma inside my head, we want to always try to preach safety to you guys, especially when you're under the covers of your home gym, because we don't have the proper trainers, we don't have the proper safety guidelines, the signs, the posts, the danger stuff to help you guide through the navigation of the safety part in terms of working out. We want you to make gains, but we want you to do it safely. That's my time, that's my story. I'm gonna get off my stepping stone and I'm gonna go back to this review. Now here's what you all been waiting for. I've got the secret tips to the added advantages of having the dumbbell in your home gym. All right, here are the tips. Stay tuned right now. Oh man, everyone's out there. Oh, they're looking for me. Hurry up, let's get this video done, man. All right, well, hey, let's go through this tip real quick. All right, we know what the added advantages of having a regular dumbbell. But here's the secret, you guys. One of the main reasons why I love dumbbells is the fact that we can do alternating exercises using single arm, okay? These are a great way to isolate these muscles singularly, by itself, individually, just like this. And you can also have a choice to leave it up here while you affect the other one. How amazing is that, you guys? Look, whoa, I can still get the burn on my right arm, but I'm working this thing, working it. And you just do a double, just like that, all right? The other one is, say you're doing a chest press or a shoulder press. Let's go with shoulder press, easier. You're doing these shoulder presses like this. Guess what? You can just swing one and go like this. Oh my God, I can feel it. I can feel these shoulders pressing. Hold it up again. Do the next one, all right? Then bring it back down, and you can just alternate and do whatever you want, like that. You can go like this, you can go like that, you can go like that, you can go like that, you can go like that. Yeah! Well, that's just a tip of what we got. If you really want to see a full dumbbell-only workout, go ahead and watch that playlist down here. It's gonna show you everything, all the secrets you need to get these massive arms. And typically, when you see these dumbbells, you're used to doing these full-blown compound workouts, rah, rah, rah. But keep in mind that they can also be useful for warm-up exercises. check out the warm-up exercises and stretches video right down below. Or if you're just in the market to see what type of home gym equipments that will best fit your home gym needs, watch these home gym videos that we've created just for you.